Hello. I know I've been posting Saturday FPV, but I went out Sunday morning and I made this flight. Now, in the early parts of this flight, I don't do anything that different than I do in any other flight. But before I took off, I took my little clippers and I trimmed some things up. I took about an hour and I walked around my flight line and I cleaned a few odd things up. But then I noticed that I still hadn't cleaned up that drainage ditch very well, and I was still forcing myself to fly above most things. So I like to practice, and I like to go through that pipe under the driveway. So I like to practice going through that pipe under the driveway. And Sunday, I practiced it probably a dozen or more times. And I crashed a few times. I had to change my propellers. It was annoying, but that's what I do. I practice. I've been flying in these same spots for years, and I am going to keep posting videos of this spot. But as I fly, I get better. A little better all the time. That was not better. But as you can see, I stopped and I went around. I was not satisfied with that trip through the pipe, so I tried again. Smoother entry, a little slower, much better, but incomplete. There was something missing, still. So I needed to try again. And yes, I will keep trying again. Until I can come around that corner and scoot through this without much thought. This will take a little more thought. And I'm hoping to get a lot smoother at this transition. I have in the past done this with a 5-inch. This is only a 2-inch. I did not find it easy. Not one bit. This is not at all smooth or quick. But this is the primary route I will be after the rest of the summer. To be able to do this route smoothly and a lot quicker than I'm doing now. Storm damage. So that basically is my Sunday FPV. Only flew 4 or 5 batteries. Just kind of dropped out, took some time every once in a while. But finally went down to the field, sat on my chair, and got a couple of good flights in. A lot more landscaping, a lot more practice, maybe some new lines. It'll get smoother, it'll get faster, but it's not going to change much. This is where I fly. I have to get that 5-inch going. Doesn't fit in nearly the small spaces this one does, but it's pretty fast. What a comfortable spot that was yesterday. Well, till the next time, thanks for watching.